Hey guys, this is just some advice for anyone currently in year 12. I know the transition period from year 11 to year 12 can sometimes be unbearable and a bit intimidating. So hopefully I can offer you some advice as a year 13 student on how to maybe deal with the change you're about to face. So yes, let's get it. I have everything I want to talk about. The first thing I want to tell you guys, and I really want to stress it, is surround yourself with like-minded people. So what I mean by that is, if you're someone who wants to succeed in your education, who's very courageous, ambitious, make sure your friends are somewhat a reflection of your character. You know, it's hard to focus on your work if your friends aren't focused. And some might say, yeah, but I won't get influenced. The likelihood of you getting influenced by your friends is very high. So sometimes you'll say, no, I don't want to go out. And you end up going out when you should be revising. So make sure your friends are on the same wavelength as you, because it's going to be so hard to not get distracted when your friends are the distraction. So make sure you choose your friends wisely. I think that's the main thing. And lots of people learn that when they go into year 12, that not everyone's your friend and not everyone wants to see you succeed. So make sure your friends want to see you succeed and you want to see them succeed. That way you guys will work together and you'll be winning. My tip number 2 is, please make sure you explore different revision techniques. I know a lot of people realize that the revision techniques that they use in GCSEs aren't useful for what they are doing now at A level. And I think it's important for you to realize when coming into year 12 that you may need to adapt how you work in order for you to achieve the grades you want to. If flashcards aren't working, maybe you need to try teaching someone. If teaching someone isn't working, maybe active recall will work for you. So ultimately you need to see what works best for you and don't stay in denial. And if it's not working, don't be disheartened, because there's going to be a revision technique that will help you. So make sure this is tip number 3, and I think it's very important if you guys really want to succeed in your A levels. Make sure you use your teachers. Use your teachers, okay? If you're struggling with a certain topic, go to them. Whether it be at lunchtime, after school, go to them, use them, okay? Because you're going to be beating yourself up if a question comes up in an exam and you can't answer it because you were too afraid to go up to your teachers, okay? It doesn't matter if people are going to judge you. At the end of the day, you want to be getting your A's and A stars, you know what I'm saying? You want to be getting the grades you've always wanted to get. The only way you can do that is if you really focus on your weak points, okay? You need to focus on it and get as much help as you can to make those your strengths, okay? And that's what the teacher's there for. They're getting paid, bruh. Use them, okay? Please, if you're struggling, go to them. Tell them you need help. Raise your hand in class if you don't understand. There's no point sitting there, not understanding, going home, not understanding, and expecting yourself to suddenly just, wow, grasp the concept. No, it's not going to work like that. So please, don't be scared. Do what you got to do. Please, learn your specification, especially for science-based subjects. You need to know it, okay? There's no point going into an exam and walking out and saying, oh my gosh, I didn't know we needed to learn X, Y, Z, blah, blah, blah. Well, not gonna lie, it's on your specification, but you didn't want to read it. You don't want to be put in that position, okay? So as soon as you can, print out your specification, and as you go through it, tick it off, okay? It's gonna make revision so much more. Please just believe in yourself. I think this plays a huge part in how successful people are. If you from the start do not believe you are going to get the grades, then you most likely won't get the grades, okay? Right from the start, you need to say to yourself, boom, whether I get a bad grade right now, just know at the end it's all going to be worth it, okay? You may not be where you want to be at the start, but at the end, think about your goal and where you will end up, all right? So no matter if your mum's saying you're never going to make it, no matter if your teacher's saying, you think you're going to get that grade? Lol. Make sure you keep pushing on. And I'm telling you, you will come out with the grades because you had the mindset right from the start. Okay? It's better late than never. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you want more, just comment down below, and I wish you all success in your endeavors. Thank you for watching.